Hi, I'm Ian Stirling. I am the business development leader for SterlingRisk programs, a division of SterlingRisk. We are a full-service MGA. We manage, develop, and start programs. That's what we do. And our focus isn't about bringing the product, but our focus is finding something that our clients need, finding a niche that hasn't been touched or a technology piece that hasn't been explored, and we develop programs around that. We as an organization are always looking for new InsurTech. We heard of Safe Drive Systems through one of our staff members. They introduced us to the product. We've been familiar with many of these types of products for in-truck and fleet management, but what really impressed us about Safe Drive Systems was the thoroughness and the reporting features that are just not available on anything else out there. For our clients, we wanted to provide them with the ability of saying, how can I prevent this from happening, rather than be reactive to the responses and dinging them on the premium. Safe Drive Systems would give them a tool that can stop accidents from happening, and that was what drew us to Safe Drive Systems. I consider myself to be a great driver, but as it happens, I developed some habits that maybe aren't the safest. I have 3 children, so while using Safe Drive Systems with my kids in the car, it helped me not only identify but correct bad habits that I had as an individual. This is exactly the kind of thing that I would like to know if I was running a fleet of cars, that my drivers are actually also being corrected real time. I would absolutely recommend Safe Drive Systems to any of my broker clients and some of my competitors as well. The approach that we're taking is we're actually going to be developing a program around the Safe Drive System tool, whereas you cannot become a member of my program unless you install the product into your vehicle. And the reason for that is, again, because using this tool will, in theory, prevent all of the claims that we're really concerned about, or at least show us the habits that the drivers are making that prevent that from happening, which means that we can get better rates, better coverage, and convince our carrier to give us better product. If it was an enjoyable experience for me, I'm imagining it's going to be an enjoyable experience for my clients. And the other big thing that I very much liked with the app specifically was it gave me driver alerts. So I was looking at my app as if my driving was somebody else, and anytime that they would be driving a little fast in a speed zone that they shouldn't have been, if they didn't signal when they were turning, I would get driver alerts, which was excellent. What made me decide that Safe Drive Systems was the way to go for this program was when they offered to give me a pilot. So it wasn't just talking about the system, they installed it in my car. The installation time is relatively quick. If there's an issue with the installation, the tech will leave, solve the issue, and resolve it so that my client has it installed with them. I've yet to see them miss a deadline. I mean, that kind of oversight and willingness to help my clients is a very big game changer.